You know what is this? What is this? What is this? Mobile phone? No, it's a Samsung. See the difference? This is a mobile phone indeed. It has a very good side to it. I can communicate. I can even communicate with Allah. How? I have an app known as the Quran. I have another app which teaches me. I have another app reminds me of dhikr, remembrance of Allah. I have another app reminds me of my prayer times. We all have these apps. Am I right or wrong? So there we go. It's a good thing. But I have another app on there known as TikTok. It's a fact. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? It has both sides. Maybe a lot of it is a waste of time, and there is a portion that is a bad portion. But there is also a good side to it. If you have a clear FYP and you are following dedicated, solid people, and you only want to look at who you are following and what you are doing, you will only see predominantly good things. If anything comes about that you're not supposed to look at, flick it ASAP, as soon as you can. And inshallah you'll have a very, very good usage of that particular app by the will of Allah. You can learn so much. You can make money. You can actually buy and sell your products all online. I know people who have a living, a huge living, better than a lot of these permanent jobs that we have, and they're just using their phone every day. They're flicking. What are you doing? I'm earning money. What did you make this month? I made $7,000 US. Oh wow, I'm in the wrong job.